I'm just really happy for the win. It was a huge win for us. We had a big opportunity there for us, and to go and achieve the goal of getting the 3 points, getting the Rocky Mountain Cup was a big move in the right direction for us heading for the playoffs. It's nice getting, looking at the standings and getting closer and making up some ground on teams that were quite a bit ahead of us earlier. So that's good, and but we know we just got to keep our head down, keep trying to improve into the next game, and it'll be another opportunity for us next game to maybe, depending on what happens this weekend, to then move up again. So we just got to keep our head down, not really look too much into it, just try and control what we can, and that's win the games that are in front of us, and then we'll see come for 3, 4, 5 games left, then we'll see if we're in that talk of a Supporters Shield. It was just a really important game for us. I think last week we felt like we had a huge opportunity to close the ground on Colorado with them tying and to have a 6-pointer with Dallas, and we were able to do that, and then that put us in a great situation for this week to then tie with Colorado as well. So I think our main focus was we got an opportunity, let's take advantage of it, and we were able to do that.